So Anikarta and Prayojakarta is same. Regarding this, we will see more. Now, I am going to explain the structure of Nijanta Prayoga to make it simple. So Nijanta Prayoge, Nij Pratyaya, if you are using in Kartari structure, in Kartari Prayoga, active voice. So it is going to be 1, 3, 2, 1. In the sense, Prayojaka Karta, Prayojaka, one who is a Hetu to prompt someone else to do action. That is called Prayojaka Karta. It is going to come in Prathama Vibhakti. This is Samanya Niyam I am explaining. Along with this next sutra, whatever sutra we are studying, along with that there will be Karma Saujnya of Prayojya Karta. So this rule is going to change a little bit. Okay. So here I am explaining Prayojaka Karta will come under Prathama Vibhakti and Prayojya Karta is Samanya Niyam I am explaining will come under Tritiya Vibhakti. यथा माता पुत्र्या भोजनम पाचयति, माता अपनी पुत्री के द्वारा भोजन पकाती है. तो एक्चुअली ये सामान्य नियम है, लेकिन आज जो सूत्र हम पढ़ रहे हैं, पढ़ने वाले हैं, गत्यर्थ कर्म गति बुद्धि प्रत्यवसानार्थ शब्द कर्म अकर्मकान अनिकर्ता सनो, इस सूत्र में यहाँ ये वाला चेंज होने वाला है 1 2 2 1. तो ये वाला भी स्ट्रक्चर याद रखो, और जब सूत्र पढ़ेंगे तो यहाँ थोड़ा सा चेंज करना पड़ेगा, वही मैं एक्सप्लेन करने वाला. ठीक है. प्रयोज्यकर्ता विल कम अंडर प्रथमा विभक्ति. प्रयोज्यकर्ता इज गोइंग टू कम अंडर तृतीया विभक्ति इन सामान्य नियम. कर्म विल बी इन द्वितीय विभक्ति, दैट इज सामान्य रूल. एंड क्रियापद डिपेंड्स अपॉन प्रयोजककर्ता इन निजंत फॉर्म. दिस इज सेम सिंपल, राइट. स्वामी पाचकेन तंडुलान पाचयति. सो सी, स्वामी इज प्रयोजककर्ता, पाचकेन प्रयोज्यकर्ता, तंडुलान कर्म. You can identify colors also. प्रयोजककर्ता red. क्रियापद also will depend upon प्रयोजककर्ता. पाचकेन is प्रयोज्यकर्ता and tandulan is karma. Okay, so this is samanya niyam. But now this sutra says if you are using particularly gatyartha dhatu or बुद्ध्यर्थक धातु, ज्ञा धातु, बोधयति, जानाति एक्सेट्रा धातु, अथवा शब्द प्रत्यवसानार्थ, प्रत्यवसान नाम किम, भक्षण. इफ यू आर यूजिंग पर्टिकुलर खादति धातु, अत्ति धातु, भुंक्ते धातु, दैट टाइम दिस प्रयोज्यकर्ता इज गोइंग टू गेट कर्म संज्ञा and it will be put into dvitiya. So this sutra is particularly does a karma saujna. That's what I want to explain. Is that clear? Please say yes, no.
Oh, stop.
Okay. Now this is Kartari structure of sentence. What about Karmani? Can you guess what would be the Karmani structure? Karmani formula of Nijanta Prayoga?
Mani 3-1-1.
3?
Like Trutiya.
Karma
in
Prayojaka will be in Tritiya. Even Prayojya also is going to come under Tritiya Vibhakti.
Oh.
Karma, according to karma, Kriyapad will be declined. For example, let's say Prayojak Karta will come under Tritiya Vibhakti, Prayojya Karta, Tritiya Vibhakti, Karma, Prathama Vibhakti. And according to Tandulaha Karma, Kriyapad will be, let me do a little bit change. So now this is extra information, Right now we have to focus on only Kartari Prayoga, but there is a topic of kartari prayoga, so I am explaining even karmani prayoga. If you have desire to change it into karmani prayoga, passive voice, 3-3-1-1 you have to remember. Means what? Prayojaka karta will be put into tritiya vibhakti, even prayojya karta will be put into tritiya vibhakti, and obviously karma will come in prathama because it is explained through kriya pada, right? So that's how sentence goes. This is normal usage, but along with this next sutra, gati buddhi pratyavasanartha shabda karma akarmakanam anikarta sanau, anikarta is going to get karma saujna. Means what? Here it is going to change into dvitiya. That's it. Now let's see regarding this. There is a famous shloka, shatrun agamayat swargam vedartham swan avedayat आशयच्चामृतं देवान् वेदम अध्यापयत विधिम. And last line is आशयत सलिले पृथ्वीम यह समे श्रीहरिर गतिः. So now can you do a अन्वय of this one pada? Try to get a meaning. In this whole shloka, they have put gatyartha dhatu, they have even put buddhyarthak, pratyavasanarthak, shabda karma and akarmak dhatu also. All kind of dhatus are put into this shloka. Password? I can't use the list. Sorry. What was the password? ID?
I sent it to her.
Okay. Fine. Where were we? We have to do anvaya of this shloka. Saralam anvaya. Let me do it. यह श्री हरिः, यह श्री हरिः, one who. So now you can find the kriya pada etc. Before that, यह श्री हरिः शत्रुन स्वर्गम अगमयत. So now this is nijanta prayoga. श्री हरिः शत्रुन स्वर्गम agamayat. Gati arthak dhatu is used. Gamayati. He leads or he make them to go. So now can you make it into simple sentence? Don't use Shri Hari Shabda, just use Shatru Swarga Agamayat. Do not use even Lang Lakara, just make simple Vartaman Kal.
Shatruhu swargam gachati.
हाँ, शत्रुः. Oh, they have used plural, so we can say Shatravah.
Shatravah swargam gachati.
Shatruhu gachati, Shatravah gachanti.
Gachanti.
Now
Correct.
in sentence, who is prayojya karta or ani karta?
Shatravah.
Shatravah, let's make plural sentence only. Shatravah is prayojya karta, or we are going to use the word ani karta because it is there in sutra. Let me put together ani karta. This way it looks nice. Ani karta, right? Now what does this sutra say? This sutra says, if you are using gatyarthaka dhatu in nijanta prayoga, whatever anikarta was, it is going to get karma saujnya. So in previous sentence, whatever sentence you have made, there Shatravah was in prathama vibhakti. It was prayojya karta, anikarta. That anikarta, that prayojya karta is going to get karma saujnya when it is put into nijanta form.
Nijanta form.
So now let's make a simple form, nijanta form. First sentence would be यह श्रीहरिः शत्रुन स्वर्गम अगमयत अथवा गमयति. Let's make वर्तमान काल to understand. श्रीहरिः शत्रुन स्वर्गम गमयति. Here श्रीहरि becomes प्रयोजक कर्ता. Shatrun becomes prayojya karta and swargam is object, and according to prayojaka karta kriya pada will be put. Shri Harihi gamayati. Meaning is clear. He sent enemies into the heaven. स्वर्ग. इसमें कुछ डाउट नहीं है तो अगला सेंटेंस आपको बोलना है. वेदार्थम स्वान अवेदयत. वेदयति नाम बोधयति. लेट्स मेक इट सिंपल. स्वान मतलब आत्मीय जनान, अपने लोगों को. सो मेक इट इनटू सिंपल सेंटेंस.
स्वाहा वेदयति वेदयन्ति.
Vetti, vidanti. There is a vetti, vetti form. If you make it plural, swaha, swaha shabda is not used. Swa is a sarvanam, so sve.
Oh, okay.
वेदार्थम विदन्ति. अपने लोग वेदार्थ को जानते हैं. ऐसा सामान्य सेंटेंस है. ठीक है. तो उसका यदि निजंत प्रयोग करवाना है, बोलना है, तो बोलते हैं श्री हरि ही स्वान, आत्मीय जनान. स्वान का अर्थ करेंगे नॉट श्वान, स्वान स्वान, आत्मीय जनान, अपने लोगों को. वेदार्थम बोधयति अथवा अवेदयत. अवेदयत पास्ट टेंस, वी कैन से वेदयति इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. ओके. आत्मीय जनान वेदार्थम वेदयति, bodhayati.
So that there is no karma pada there then.
Yeah, it's there. No, Vedartham is karma padam. And by this sutra, Swan is going to get karma saudhya. What was the anikarta? Swan was anikarta. Right? What sentence
Right.
made? Sve. Sve matlab atmiya janaha. Was anikarta. That is going to get karma saudhya by this sutra. Okay. ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट जा रहा है क्या?
Little bit.
ओके. पहली बार ये सुन रहे हैं ना आप, उसमें भी ये सारे टर्म्स यूज कर रहे हो, अनिकर्ता, नवु, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. सो इट बिकम्स लिटिल हेवी, और इट्स फाइन. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. यू हैव टू मेक सिंपल सेंटेंस, एंड वॉट एवर इज प्रयोज्य करता और अनिकर्ता, इट इज गोइंग टू गेट कर्म संज्ञा. दैट्स इट. But when it is used, when gatyartha dhatu, buddhyartha dhatu, pratyavasanaartha dhatu is used, or shabda karma dhatu, akarmak dhatu is used, that time only it is going to get karma saujna. Otherwise, it is going to be in karana karakam only, in tritiya only. Okay. Next example. He made his people to understand the Veda. ओके. वो हाँ, इंग्लिश में थोड़ी गड़बड़ हो सकती है, मेरी इंग्लिश परफेक्ट.
Yeah, that's okay.
देवान अमृतम
People
आशयत.
understand the Veda.
जी, आई विल मेक अ चेंज इफ यू से पीपल. ही मेड हिज पीपल.
He Avedayat, right? He made his people to know the Vedas, understand. Yeah, I think it is correct.
करेक्ट. ओके.
My English.
देवान अमृतम आशयत. श्रीहरि ही देवान अमृतम आशयत. आशयत, he made them to feed or drink. Ashnati, actually not drink. Amrutam can be drink, so I have put drink, or let me make it feed. Eat. Okay, let's use it also. Okay. So simple sentence would be Devaha amrutam. Devaha amrutam ashnati. Shri Harihi devan amrutam ashayat. Vidhim vedam adhyapayat. Shri Harihi, you have to put Shri Hari Shabda along with each sentence. Huh? What is happening? Okay, fine. I will change it later. Vidhim nama brahmanam brahmadevam vedam adhyapayat. Brahmadevah अथवा विधिः vedam adhite. That would be samanya sentence. And vidhi is anikarta, prayojya karta. So it is going to get karma saudhnya by this sutra. Okay. Shri Harihi prithivim salile asayat. Asayat is
Asite.
Asti.
Asite.
Actually, there is a as dhatu, and it is akarmaka dhatu. Stay, akarmaka dhatu. So regarding akarmaka, they are using Shri Harihi prithivim salile asayat. He made earth to stay in water. Prithvihi salile aste means what? This is samanya sentence. Earth stay in water. That is samanya sentence. And prithvi is prayojya, anikarta. That is going to get karma saudhnya by this sutra. Gatyartha, gati karma. There is another sutra, so I am getting little bit, that sutra comes in my mouth. Gati buddhi pratyavasanartha shabda karma. Shabda karma का नाम अनिकर्ता सनौ. ओके, तो इतने 5 एग्जांपल्स उन्होंने दिए हैं. पहला एग्जांपल था गति अर्थक, गति दिखाता है, जैसे कि सेंट, ही सेंट. सेकेंड था बुद्धि. बुद्धि मीन्स व्हाट? टू नो, टू अंडरस्टैंड इन दिस मीनिंग. If you are using particular dhatu like vedayati, bodhayati, avagamayati, that time also anikarta, prayojyakarta is going to get karma saudhnya in nijanta form. Third, pratyavasanartha. Pratyavasana nama bhakshanam, to eat. So along with that also anikarta is going to get karma saudhnya in nijanta form. Shabda karma. Shabda karma means there are such dhatus. If you use, you have to put some object like shabdam pathayati, vedam pathayati, gitam adhyapayati, etc. etc. Patati pathayati, adhite adhyapayati, similar way. Okay, so third, they have used shabda karma also. And lastly, akarmaka dhatu also is being used. Aste, asayat, past tense they have used in this shloka. So nice shloka. If you memorize, you will understand the sutra. Gati buddhi pratyavasanartha shabda karma karmakanam anikarta sanau. Here,
Sir, how to chant this slok? Because usually slok has a four charan, right?
there is no particular rule like that. But yes.
What chand is this? What chand is this?
This is again what? Anushtup chanda only. Shatrun agamayat swargam vedartham svavedayat ashayachamrutam devan vedam vedamadhyapayat vidhim. I have split those words, that's it. You can put that akara into makara, akara into nakara, etc. Okay, so we'll practice little bit more apart from this, and then we will move to next sutra. See, gatyarthak dhatu, there are various dhatus like gamlir gatau, gacchati, rupam In gatau dhatu, it also means to go. There are some gatyarthak dhatus, chara dhatu, chala dhatu, brahma dhatu, those dhatus. Correct? So now by using gatyarthak dhatu, same rule we are going to use. Shatravah swargam agachan. Let's make it simple. Shatravah swargam agachan. So here Shatravah is anikarta. Anikartarah bahuvachanam. So anikartarah. That anikartarah is going to get karma saudhnya. In which prayoga? Nijanta prayoga. Okay. So Shri Harihi Shatrun swargam agamayat. So this sentence we have already seen. Just I am putting in some light way. Shatrum Shatrun is anikarta in anyanta form. Anyanta form in the sense nich bhinna form. Same karta, Shatrun anikarta, prayojya karta is going to get karma saujnya. Where now, now means what? Nijanta karmani, nijanta prayoge. It is going to get karma saujnya. Okay. So how to explain, how to understand this sentence? Shri Harihi Shatrun Swargam Agamayat. अपने शत्रु को स्वर्ग में भेजा कैसे? तो देर इज एक्सप्लेनेशन. शस्त्र आघातेन अथवा शस्त्रघातेन तान स्वर्गम गमयितुम श्री हरि ही कर्ता भवति. He killed them, and through killing kriya, so there is a famous rule. If any warrior dies in battlefield, he is going to get swarga. So he is Hari. So obviously, if he kills someone, that Shatru also is going to get swarga. That way. Shastra aghatena tan swargam gamayitum Shri Harihi karta bhavati. Prayojaka karta. Another sentence, simple sentence we are making. Ramah vanam gacchati अथवा Ramah vanam yati अथवा Ramah vanam eti. And any kriyapada, gatyartha kriyapada you can use. Can you make in nijanta form?
Kaikeyi Ramam Ramam Vanam
Yapayati.
Agama
Yati dhatu if we use, it will become yapayati. Gacchati dhatu if we use, gamayati. Kaikeyi Ramam Vanam Gamayati. Right?
So in this there are two karmas, right? Ramam is also a karma and Vanam is also karma.
But there is a difference. Most desired object is Tarturipsitatamam karma, Vanam, and Rama is going to get karma saudhnya by which sutra? Ramam also is karma saudhnyakam, Vanam also is karma saudhnyakam, but both are getting karma saudhnya by different
Right.
sutras. Right? Ramam is going to karma saudhnya by
akathita.
Here there is no use of akathitancha. Here also are two karmak dhatus only, but one is going to get karma saudhnya by karturipsitatamam karma, like vanam yati, and Ramam is going to get karma saudhnya by this sutra gati buddhi pratyavasanartha shabda karma kanam anikartasana. तो ये राम इस सूत्र से कर्म संज्ञा को प्राप्त होता है, वह वनम शब्द अपने कर्तुरिप्सितमम से. ठीक है. कैकेयी रामम वनम यापयति और गमयति भेजती है, प्रेषयति. ओके, अनदर नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. सेकंड वाज बुद्धि. गति we have finished. Now बुद्धि. बुद्धि अर्थक धातु. देयर आर वेरियस धातु लाइक ज्ञा जानाति, बुध बुध्यते अथवा बोधति. फर्स्ट गण also there is a बुध धातु, or this is चतुर्थ गण I have put. विद धातु वेत्ति, to know. There are many more. Okay, so let's say स्वे नाम आत्मीयाः. Same example I am putting. स्वे आत्मीयाः वेदार्थम अविदुः. They came to know, they know, that way. Okay, so Shri Hari Swan नाम आत्मीय जनान वेदार्थम अवेदयत. Same sentence. Now I am putting another sentence. You have to make nijanta form of this sentence. Shishyah vishayam avagacchati. He knows. Bodhati. Now you have to make nijanta prayoga.
Guruhu.
Guruhu Shishyam Vishayam
Avagamyati.
If there is a Buddha dhatu, bodhati, Shishyah Vishayam bodhati, it is going to change into nijanta form. Guruhu Shishyam Vishayam bodhayati. So you can write down this for practice. Guruhu Shishyam Vishayam Avagamayati. Another example I am giving. Putraha Acharam Bodhati. Conduct. हम्म
पितुः पिता पिता पुत्रं
पिता पुत्रं
आचारं
बोधयति.
बोधयति. सो सिंपल ना, बहुत सिंपल है प्रयोग. जो वो टर्म्स जरा आनी करता ना, वो ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लगता है, नहीं तो बाकी सारा सेम ही है, सिंपल है एकदम. पिता पुत्रम आचारम बोधयति. देयर
बोधयति.
वर्ड शुड बी अनुस्वार, देयर शुड बी राइट. Acharam only. Okay. Next one. Now third meaning was pratyavasanartha. Pratyavasanam means what? Bhakshanam, khadanam. So there are some similar dhatus like bhaksha, bhakshayati, khad, khadati, ad, atti, ash, ashnati, bhuj, bhungte. There are many more. Just for information, I have put only 5. Right? So let's take same example from that shloka. Deva.
So that bhakshayati is not nijanta form. That is
That this whatever kriya pada I am putting here in first line, these are not nijanta, these are samanya. This bhakshayati dhatu belongs to dashama gana.
okay.
So in dashama gana you are going to find two kinds of kriya pada. I have already explained. So there would be swarthe nich pratyaya, and this is actually swarthe nijanta prayoga, bhakshayati. And if you use nijanta prayoga in hetumati, it is going to be same prayoga, bhakshayati, in the sense bhakshayati.
It is same in both.
It will look like similar, but you have to understand whether this is nijanta prayoga or anijanta prayoga. Okay. Now this, let's understand this one. Ash dhatu, ash means to eat. Another similar dhatu I have put abhakshayan. Okay. Devaha amrutam ashnan means they ate, they drunk, right? Yes, Devaha drank. Okay, Devaha drank nectar. Also, okay, let's make nijanta form of this sentence. Shri Harihi Devan amrutam ashayat. He made them to eat or drink nectar. Another sentence we will practice. Shishuhu annam bhungte. Bhungte means to eat. Shishuhu is karta, prayojya karta. It is going to get karma saudhya. Ha, make.
माता शिशुम् अन्नं खादयत् न
Bhungte bhojayati.
भोजयति.
भोजयति.
Bhojayati. Okay, what is the time? Shall we finish? 2-3 more minutes. I will finish. माता शिशुम अन्नम भोजयति. शब्द कर्म नाउ. शब्दः कर्म एषां धातूनां ते शब्द कर्माणः. यस्य धातोः कर्मपदं शब्द रूपं भवति. यथा whatever dhatu you find, if you are finding particular shabda rupam like shlokah patati, gadyam patati, padyam patati, mantrah, vedah ityadi shabdah, that is called shabda karmaka dhatu. So regarding this kind of dhatus, we are going to use karma saudhya. We are going to do karma saudhya of prayojya or anikarta. So vidhi vedam patati. Here vidhi means brahmadeva. Vidhi vedam adhite. Brahmadevah vedam adhite. Patati iti artha. You can put adhite or patati anyway. Okay, so make it into nijanta. It would be Shri Harihi vidhim vedam adhyapayati. If you are using adhite dhatu, adhyapayati will be nijanta. Patati pathayati. Next.
शिष्यः
शिष्यः गद्यं पठति.
गुरुः शिष्यं गद्यं पाठयति.
अध्यापकः अथवा गुरुः शिष्यं गद्यं पाठयति. सिंपल. And last now. Okay, 10 more minutes. अकर्मकाणाम्. अकर्मक. अकर्मक यस्य धात्वर्थस्य कर्म एव न भवति. यस्य धातुः कर्म एव न भवति. अकर्मक धातु you know. There is a big list. लज्जा, सत्ता, स्थिति, जागरणं, वृद्धि, क्षय, भय, जीवित मरणं, शयन, क्रीडा, रुचिदीप्त्यर्थं धातुगणं तम् अकर्मकम् आहुः. So this is a list. In this meaning, if you are using any dhatu, that dhatu will be known as akarmaka. Lajja, riyate, lajjate, satta, asti, bhavati, etc. dhatu. So aste, there is a particular dhatu aste, it is akarmaka dhatu. So prithvi, okay, this is not meant to be here. I didn't change that. Same dhatu I have copied. Okay, prithvi salile aste. Prithvi salile aste. It means Prithvi stays in water. So if we are making Nijanta form of this, it will become Shri Harihi Prithvim Salile Asayati. He makes Prithvi to stay in water. Okay. Next example is same, simple. Vriddaha Upavishati means what? Old person sits down, right? So let's make Nijanta.
Putraha Vruddham Upaveshyati.
Upaveshayati, it would become Vruddham Upaveshayati. So now we have finished Gatyarthaka dhatu, Buddhyarthaka dhatu, Pratyavasanarthanam Bhakshanarthaka dhatu, Shabda Karmaka dhatu, and Akarmaka dhatu. So Sutra meaning should be clear. Okay, I hope it was simple. Okay, so we'll stop here, right? If you have any doubt regarding this Prayoga, now whatever rule I have explained, structure would be 1 in Kartari Prayoga. Structure would be 1, 2, 2, 1. And if rather than this Gatyartha, Buddhyartha, Pratyavasanartha, Shabda Karma and Akarmaka dhatus, apart from these dhatus, if you are using another any kind of dhatu, that time Prayojya Karta will be put into Tritiya Vibhakti. For example, Pachati Pachayati, Mata Bhojanam Pachati, and Mata Putriya Bhojanam Pachayati. So understand that also, huh? If you are using particularly this kinds of dhatus, that time only Prayojya Karta is going to get Karma Saudhnya, otherwise it is going to be put into Tritiya. Okay? Okay. Any doubt regarding this? Shall we stop here? Okay. No doubts? You brood over there on this topic. If there is any doubt, we will discuss in.
Our teacher says clear as mud. No, I was just joking.
Chinna samshayaha. We'll stop here. We'll shanti patha. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Harihi Om.
Harihi Om Shri Gurudev Namaha.
धन्यवाद महोदय.
धन्यवाद महोदय.
Thank you very much, Avinash.